Rio de Janeiro lies on Brazil's southeastern coast, between mountains, ocean, and vibrant culture. Its unique location blends urban life with tropical landscapes and breathtaking natural scenery. From sea to hills, Rio stands as one of Brazil's most iconic destinations. From golden beaches to colorful streets, every scene feels alive with movement and emotion here. This journey captures the essence of Rio, inviting you to feel every moment deeply inside. The rhythm of samba flows through the streets, connecting people, culture, and endless celebration. Sunlight reflects on the ocean, while the city moves with passion and natural beauty. Rio is not just a destination, it is a feeling you carry with you. A place where movement, sound, and emotion exist in perfect harmony. Warm sand stretches along the coast, where waves dance under golden sunlight endlessly. Footsteps fade into the shore as the ocean sets a peaceful rhythm. Beach life flows slowly, filled with laughter, breeze, and salty air. Surfers, sun, and sea create moments that feel timeless and free. Here, time slows down, letting you breathe and simply exist. Throughout the year, Rio's streets and beaches come alive with music, movement, and celebration. Carnival energy flows from avenues to shores, filling the air with rhythm everywhere. Festivals, sports, and sunsets turn public spaces into shared moments of joy. Rio's carnival began centuries ago, inspired by European traditions and African cultural influences. Today, it happens every February or March, leading up to Lent each year. Rio hosts major running events yearly, attracting athletes from across Brazil and beyond. Running in Rio blends sport, scenery, culture, and unforgettable ocean views. Every New Year, Copacabana transforms into one of the world's largest celebrations. Fireworks illuminate the ocean, reflecting dreams, gratitude, and wishes for the coming year. Music fills the air as waves and rhythms move in perfect harmony. The night ends with joy, renewal, and unforgettable memories by the sea. In Copacabana, the new year begins with light, hope, and the sound of endless waves. Brazil reveals its identity through iconic landmarks shaped by nature, history, and vibrant culture. Together, these destinations reflect Brazil's energy, diversity, and unique spirit. Christ the Redeemer was conceived in the 1920s to symbolize faith and unity in Brazil. Construction began in 1926 and involved engineers, artists, and international collaboration efforts from Europe abroad. Its open arms symbolize peace, protection, and a welcoming spirit for people worldwide. Today, Christ the Redeemer stands as Brazil's most recognized cultural and spiritual icon worldwide. The idea originated in the late 19th century as a religious tribute to Brazil. French sculptor Paul Landowski designed the statue, combining engineering precision with artistic vision. The statue measures 30 meters tall, standing above a pedestal that elevates its presence. Its structure combines reinforced concrete and soapstone, chosen for durability and smooth appearance. The arms stretch 28 meters wide, creating a powerful symbol of embrace. Located at Corcovado's summit, this viewpoint offers one of Rio's most iconic perspectives. From here, visitors observe Copacabana, Sugarloaf Mountain, and Guanabara Bay clearly. Seen from Corcovado's summit, Sugarloaf Mountain rises above Guanabara Bay as one of Rio's most iconic landmarks. Located in Urca, it stands nearly 400 meters above sea level. The mountain is famous for its cable car system, operating since 1912. Visitors travel in 2 stages, reaching panoramic platforms with breathtaking coastal views. From the summit, beaches, forests, and city skylines merge into one stunning panorama. The granite formation dates back millions of years, shaped by natural erosion processes. Today, Sugarloaf represents adventure, history, and one of Rio's most unforgettable viewpoints. After leaving Sugarloaf Mountain, the journey continues toward Selarón Steps, connecting Lapa and Santa Teresa. Created by Chilean artist Jorge Selarón, the staircase became his lifelong artistic tribute to Rio. Construction began in 1990, evolving constantly as Selarón redesigned it daily with passion and care. Today, they stand as a symbol of creativity, perseverance, and artistic devotion within the city. Exploring Selarón Steps after Sugarloaf invites thirst, as Rio's traditional drinks offer calm enjoyment. Caipirinha, Brazil's signature cocktail, blends cachaça, lime, sugar, and crushed ice. Fresh coconut water completes the experience, offering natural balance beneath the tropical sun. We now continue with the Museum of Tomorrow, a symbol of Rio's vision forward. Located in Rio's Port District, the museum represents innovation, science, and future possibilities. Designed by Santiago Calatrava, its architecture reflects movement, light, and organic forms inspired by nature. Opened in 2016, it quickly became one of Rio's most iconic cultural landmarks. Inside, exhibitions explore humanity's past, present, and possible futures through interactive experiences. Leaving modern Rio behind, we arrive at the historic Arcos de Lapa, filled with legacy. Built in the 18th century, the arches originally functioned as an aqueduct system. They carried water across the valley, supporting daily life in early Rio settlements. The structure was inspired by Roman aqueducts, emphasizing strength, balance, and durability. Whitewashed stone arches rise 40 meters high, forming an iconic architectural landmark. For many years, this structure ensured water access for residents of colonial Rio. The arches witnessed Rio's transformation from colonial town to modern metropolis. Their design combines utility, elegance, and resilience across centuries of change. Today, the monument represents Rio's architectural heritage and cultural identity. As night falls, bars, samba, and live music fill the streets with energy. The Arcos de Lapa remain a timeless symbol of Rio's enduring spirit. From the city's rhythm, We now move toward Rio's legendary oceanfront landscapes filled with life. Copacabana stretches endlessly, famous for its curved shoreline and vibrant beach culture that attracts visitors. Morning brings joggers, cyclists, and yoga sessions along the peaceful seafront as waves gen. Here, locals and travelers gather daily to swim, relax, and socialize under the warm sun. As the day progresses, beach games and laughter fill the golden sands with constant energy. The iconic black and white promenade frames one of Brazil's most photographed coastlines in history. Its wide sands host volleyball, football, and relaxed gatherings by the sea throughout the day. Locals and visitors share the beach, creating a lively and welcoming environment for everyone present. Both beaches reflect Rio's lifestyle, balancing movement, rest, and connection between people and culture. As afternoon fades, the light softens and colors begin to change across sky and sea. Sunsets here are legendary, painting the sky in gold and pink above the Atlantic Ocean. Bars and kiosks come alive, offering drinks and casual seaside dining under open night skies. Live music often echoes nearby, blending with waves and laughter along the glowing shoreline tonight. Both beaches host events, celebrations, and gatherings throughout the year reflecting Rio's vibrant social life. From sports competitions to festivals, the shoreline never truly sleeps with energy flowing day-night. Beach culture here represents freedom, expression, and connection with nature for people of all ages. Visitors often return, drawn by the atmosphere and unforgettable coastal scenery that lingers long after. Copacabana and Ipanema together define Rio's soul beside the sea with rhythm and emotion. They represent relaxation, celebration, and the joy of outdoor living shared daily by locals alike. These beaches remain timeless stages where Rio's spirit truly shines through people and culture. As night falls, the ocean whispers stories of joy and freedom beneath the stars above. After a long beach day, you can relax and unwind at the Copacabana Palace Hotel. Leaving the coastline behind, we arrive at one of football's most legendary temples worldwide. The Maracanã Stadium was inaugurated in 1950 for the historic World Cup. Built to host massive crowds, it became a symbol of Brazilian football passion. Its circular design reflects monumental architecture, created to embrace thousands of devoted fans. Once the largest stadium on Earth, it welcomed nearly 200,000 spectators. The structure has witnessed historic matches, unforgettable goals, and emotional sporting moments. Legends like Pelé, Zico, and Ronaldo made history on this iconic field. Beyond football, the stadium hosted concerts, ceremonies, and global cultural events. Renovations modernized its facilities while preserving historical and architectural significance. The roof design enhances acoustics, amplifying chants and energy during major matches. Maracanã represents unity where people gather to celebrate sport and national ending. On match days, the atmosphere becomes electric, filled with color, sound, and emotion. The surrounding complex includes museums, tours, and interactive experiences for visitors. Every corner of the stadium holds stories of triumph, heartbreak, and celebration. Today, Maracanã stands as a global symbol of football heritage and culture. It remains a sacred place where history, passion, and sport continue to unite generations. Leaving the city behind, we arrive at the peaceful and historic Parque Lage. Located beneath Corcovado, it blends nature, art, and elegant architectural design harmoniously. Once a private estate, the park later became an important public cultural space. Its neoclassical mansion features arches, courtyards, and a famous reflecting pool. Surrounded by Atlantic forest, the park offers calm within Rio's vibrant atmosphere. Today, it houses an art school and hosts exhibitions and cultural events. Parque Lage remains a symbol of harmony between history, art, and nature. As our journey continues, Rio reveals its soul through landscapes, culture, and unforgettable moments. From historic landmarks to vibrant streets, each place tells a story of identity. Beaches, mountains, and neighborhoods blend together, creating a city full of contrasts. The rhythm of music, movement, and daily life defines Rio's unique character. Nature and architecture coexist, shaping one of the world's most scenic urban landscapes. Every stop reflects history, creativity, and the passion of its people. From sunrise beaches to lively nights, Rio offers emotions in every direction. Cultural traditions mix with modern energy, forming an atmosphere unlike any other. Each location visited leaves memories shaped by light, sound, and movement. The city invites exploration, reflection, and connection with its vibrant spirit. Through streets, landmarks, and coastlines, Rio reveals its true essence slowly. This journey captures moments that define the heart of Brazil. Every experience adds meaning to the story told through images and sound. As the journey ends, the memories of Rio remain alive within us. Here concludes our cinematic journey through Rio de Janeiro. Until the next adventure.